5 hours after an almost 2-inch rain, and I have a wet yard, but I do not have standing puddles. This is amazing. The stream there is full of water. This is the first time I've seen it that high after a rain, but everything else is good. No standing water even down here. Just mushy ground. Pretty crazy. All that standing water by the sump output is gone. All this standing water, oh, there's some there. I could probably just do a little trench so it drains into the rock stream. That's probably what I'll do. Anyway, I'm happy. One more check on the sump pit and see what's going on. I slowed down a little. Oh, wow. Oh, come on, son. Not bad. I'm happy. Everything's done in the rock stream here. It's full of water a little bit in the bottom. It kind of acts as a French drain itself because it's lower than the level of the dirt. Very happy.